scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Solving this Java string enigma is fast if you follow the logic. Let's break down how this loop alternates characters between two different strings. First, we compare the lengths of our two input strings to set the limit. Since ABCDE has 5 characters and WXYZ has 4, the variable len is set to 4. Next, the loop runs from index 0 up to but not including 4. In each iteration, it grabs one character from the first string and one from the second string. Finally, we combine these pairs to get AW, BX, CY, and DZ. This sequence matches the pattern in option B. You got this! Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given code and check your steps.